All right, we are in Monday's qualifying round in the rookie division of the Mountain Tournament. We're on hole number 2. Let's go to Golf Clash Notebook and check out hole number 2. Refamiliarize ourselves with what the holes are. This is going to be a par 5. And our goal here is to try and get over on our first bounce and then come at it. I can't remember if we're using a long iron or a wood. I think it's a long iron from over here. I think I'm going to bring my backbone. It's a little more accurate. You can do a little bit more of a run up. If you try and use a lot of backbone here, there's some elevation change, and what happens is the ball tends to want to take a huge second hop. Whereas if you try and come at it up here and you try and run it up to it, I've had a little more luck with that. So we're going to use an extra mile. And we're going to stick with our Titan. And just in case, we're going to bring some of our accuracy clubs. And bring the backbone. Stick with the usual suspects. See what we got going on here. So if you're playing in the rookie divisions, your goal should be to try and get your common clubs maxed out. You need to get your sniper, your Saturn, your claw, your quarterback at least to level 8, and you can do that relatively quickly. It's never a bad thing when you get common cards in a chest. A lot of people bitch about it, but it's always good to get your common cards up. So we're going to do max overpower here. So we're going to end up about there. So it's 2-6. So we're going to come over a little. We're going to just try and go straight at it. Wasn't going to be great to the left. But I think we should still be, yes, in the clear. The main thing is to stay away from the sand over here. That'll kind of ruin your shot. It's better to just be over anywhere out here and be in your long iron range. We're actually pretty far out there. So we'll have to see what club that puts us in. I'm not sure if that's going to put us in our, it might put us in our max short iron, in which case we'll be using our Hornet. Our Hornet's 111922. 111922. Our backbone is 12. Let's see what club we're in. Oh, we did get in our Hornet range. We're right at max Hornet. So we're in the 1-1 range. You can see how it raises it up when you're over here, so your second bounce is going to be pretty high in the air. So we're in the 1-1, so there'd be 3-3. We're going to be a little shy of 3 rings. We'll see what kind of range that puts us in. Hitting it perfect. See how high that second bounce was? Looks like we missed that just a little to the right. It's hard to tell from that angle, that camera angle, how close we were. I have to go back and watch the actual replay and see how close we were on that shot. And when you're in a spot where you're in these trees, okay, now you know where it's clearing the trees. Come back out here. Come back out here so that you can see what kind of distance you're getting on your top spin. Then move the ball over to here. Don't worry about those trees. You're gonna use maximum curl when you're taking this shot, and it'll just wrap it right around those trees and put it right on the green. There's another hole one of the par fives on this course that's very similar, but those shots are very easy to recover from. Eagle. So that would be 6, that'd be 9, that'd be 2.1. Just writing down some numbers for my backbone on that. I did like being in my Hornet range. I played that hole a bunch of times. I don't know if I've been in my Hornet range that many times. Usually you're in your backbone range. It seems like with my backbone, it doesn't have as big a hop like that. You can come out a little bit further and really kind of run it up there. Nice shot. All right, we will be forfeiting our shootouts here. All right, that was hole number 2 of Monday's qualifying round in the rookie division for the Mountain Tournament. Thanks for watching.